Welcome back to the last period of the day. Now let us go to the next questions. How many numbers lie between square of the following numbers? How many numbers lie between square of the following numbers? Okay. Question number 9, A. 12 and 13. 12 and 13. This already I have this point already explained to you. Meaning is, in between the 12 square and 13 square, how many numbers are there? 12 and 13 consecutive numbers are, first you have to check whether these two numbers are consecutive or not, continuous numbers or not. 12 and 13, yes, in between 12 and 13 there is no other number, so 12 and 13 are consecutive numbers. So square of these two consecutive numbers, how many numbers are lying? I explained one point. What is the point? If two numbers are consecutive number, then yes, the sum is, not sum, numbers between 12 square and 13 square. Do you remember what numbers? 2 into smaller number, right? 2, what is the smaller number? 12. How much? 2 2s are 4. So 24 numbers are there. Okay, that's the question I explained to you. Okay? Now we will do. I think. Okay. You can do it by yourself, right? Because I need to spend little more time in some other points. I want to spend more time in some other place. Okay, now finding the square numbers. Finding the square numbers. Suppose 23. How to find the 23 square? Square of 23. Square of 23 equal to 23 square, right? You may go 23 23. That is a long method. So you have shortcut which one? Shall I 23 can be written 20 plus 3? 23 can be written 20 plus 3 the whole square. We can write, right? Okay. Now 20 plus 3 the whole square equal, first number 20 into 20 plus 3. 20 into this number plus 3 into this 3 into again same number 20 plus 3. Now you see 20 into 20, 2 2s are 4, 1 0 1 0, 2 zeros. 20 into 3 how many? 60. 3 into 20 how many? 60. 3 into 3 9. Okay. Now add zeros. 9 plus 0, 9 plus 0 same 0. Next 6 plus 6, yes, 12, 1 remainder. Okay, 1 plus how much? 529. 520. So this is a easy method of doing calculations. You might be thinking, sir, what is this easy? 23 into 23 is very easy for us. Then 23 into 23 we will do calculation quickly and we will get the answer. Then this one we may forget this method also. Yes, because this is a method you followed for so many years. This is a new method, so you might find it difficult in the beginning, but to know, yes, this is another way of calculating squares. Okay, so like that you can do another question. Also, I am not going to do that. Let us go to exercise 6.0. Okay, before going to exercise 6.2, we have to do one more things, that is Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. See children, this is very important Pythagoras theorems. Triplet means 3, right? Triplet means 3. Triplet. 3 numbers are called Pythagorean triplet. Okay, what is Pythagorean triplet? What is Pythagorean theorems? There are 3 numbers. Among the 3 numbers, one number is the largest number, right? One number is the bigger number. So the square of the larger number is, what is the Pythagorean triplet? The square of the larger number equal sum of the square of other 2 numbers. What is the Pythagorean Pythagorean theorem tells? The square of the larger number will be equal to sum of the squares of other 2 numbers. These are Pythagorean theorems. Now, I want to explain this particular point very detailed. For example, 3, 4, 5. This is a number. Whether this number 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet or not, how will you know? If the square of the large, what is the square of the large number? What is the large number? 5. So 5 square should be equal to sum of the square. Sum means plus. Square of other 2 numbers. 3 square and 4 square. 5 5s are 25. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. 25 equal to 9 plus 16, how much? 25. Yes. That means 3, 4, 5 are with the Pythagorean triplet. Understand? If it comes, all the number cannot be Pythagorean triplet. For example, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, whether it is Pythagorean triplet or not. What is the larger number? 4. 4 square equal, what is the small number? 2 square plus 3 square. 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4, plus 3 3s are 9, 16, not equal to 9 plus 4, how much? 13. That means this is not Pythagorean triplet, but this is yes. Do you understand now? Pythagorean triplet, the largest number should be equal, square of the largest number should be equal to sum of the squares of other 2 sides. So likewise, how will you know? Suppose one number given, you have to find out Pythagorean triplet. How to find out? That's what I am going to explain to you. There is a pattern 2m, m minus 1, sorry, not m minus 1, which one? M square minus 1, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. This is a pattern. So, this is one number, second number, third number. If numbers are in this form, that means that the 3 numbers are what number? Pythagorean triplets. Okay. Now, come here. Suppose a question is given, a number is given, 2m is equal to 6. 2m is equal to 6. So, how to find out other numbers? So, 2m is equal to 6, m equal to 6, the number is multiple, other side will divide, m equal to 3, m equal to 3. Now, m square minus 1, m square, what is m? M is equal to how much? 3. So, 3 square minus 1, 3 square minus 3 square is equal to 9, 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1 how much? 8. Next, another number, m square plus 1, m is equal to how much? 3, 3 square plus 1, 3 3 is 9 plus 1, how much? 10. So, these numbers are what number? Pythagorean triplet. This will be a Pythagorean. Let us check. If it is Pythagorean triplet, condition is clear, right? So, largest square number. What is the largest square number? 10 square will be equal to sum of the square of other 2 numbers. Sum plus other 2. Which one? 6 square plus 8 square. 10 into 10 how much? 100. 6 6 how much? 6 6 36 plus 8 8 64. So, 100. 4 plus 6 10. 1 remainder. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 3 10. Yes, correct. So, 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. If you put this form, then you will get the Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Shall we do one more, or okay? Let us go to exercise 6.2 now. 6.21 tells, find the square of the following numbers. Find the square of the following numbers. 32. You should not do 32 into 32, okay? 32 into 32 you should not do. This method you can't do it, okay? So, how to find out? 32 square equal to, this period itself I explained to you just few minutes before. How to write? 30 plus 2. 30 plus 2 is 32. Yes or no? Okay. Now, it can be written 30, the first number into inside the bracket, 30 plus 2, plus second number into inside the bracket. Inside the bracket what number? 30 plus 2. Understood? 30 into 30 how much? 3 3 is 9, 2 zeros. 30 into 2 how much? 60. 2 into 30 how much? 60. 2 2 is 4. Add 4 plus 0, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 only. 6 plus 6, 12, 12, 12. 1 remainder. 1 plus 9, 10. So these are numbers. This is a number. Okay. Now let us go to which one? Next questions. Next question. Okay. Okay. Now let us go to one more questions. For which one? We'll do one more question, okay, from here. Then after that we will go. So what questions we will go? Shall we go to little bit bigger number? Let us go to question number 4, 93. So 93 square. 93 square can be written 90 plus 3. 90 plus 3 the whole square. Okay. Now, first number 90 into inside the bracket, 90 plus 3, plus second number 3 into inside the bracket, 90 plus 3. Okay. Now multiply. 9 nines are 81. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So add 2 zeros. Plus 9 3s are 9 into 3, 27. Zeros, 1 0 is there, so 0. Understood? Next. 3 into 90, how much? 3 9s are 27. Oh, zeros. 3 into 3, 9. Now you add. One digit, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 only. Second digit, 7, 7, 7 plus 7, 14. 1 remainder. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So your answer will be 8649. 8649. Okay. So I think this much enough. From there you can do by yourself the remaining question. Let us go to next questions. What is the question number 2 tells? Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one number is 6. Whose one number is 1 number equal to 6. One number is equal to 2m. 2m is equal to 6 given. I think this question few minutes before we are done. But anyway, one once we will do. So m is equal to how much? 6 multiply other side divide. M is equal to how much? 3 common term. Sorry, what is that? 2, right? 2 is coming. 2 1 time, 2 common term, 3. M is equal to 3. Next which one? What is the formula? 1 is 2m. Next m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Yes or no? So this pattern you put the number. 2m is okay. Next m square minus 1. M is how much? 3 square minus 1. What is 3 square? 3 square is 9. 9 minus 1, how much? 8. Now which one? M square plus 1. M is how much? 3 plus 3 square. 9 plus 1, that is how much? 10. So, what are they asking? Pythagorean triplets. So, triplets are which one? What are number? 2x, 6, 8 and 10. So, one question. We will do one or two more questions we will do. Question number 2. What is the question number 2 tells? 14. So, 2m equal to 14. 2m is equal to how much? 14. So, m is equal to how much? Can you tell me? 14. Here 2 is multiplied, right? When you take other side, it will become, okay, how much? 7. So, m is equal to 7. Next, which one? M square minus 1. M square minus 1. M is equal to how much? 7 square minus 1. 7 7s are 49 minus 1. 49 minus 1 is how much? 48. Next, which one? M square plus 1. That is 7 square plus 1. 49 plus 1. 49 plus 1 is how much? 50. Yes or no? Next. So, Pythagorean triplet. How much? 14, 48 and 50. 14, 48 and 50. Okay, I think that model enough, or we shall we go to another one more, or we leave it? Children? Now, I think we will do one more question and we will finish today's work. 2 minutes left. Okay, one more question. Just 2 minutes left. With 2 minutes, I cannot go to the new teaching point. Let us finish with this. We will do one more question. Okay. Okay. Which one? Let us go to 16. So 2m is equal to 16. M is equal to how many? 16 divided by 2. How much? 8. So m is equal to how much? 8. So m square minus 1. 8 square minus 1. 8 8s are 64. 64 minus 1. How much? 63. Next, m square plus 1. That is 8 square plus 1. 64 plus 1. How much? 65. Understood? So, triplets are how much? 16, 63 and 65. Okay. So, these are the things we have learned. Okay. Today's class, we have learned what is square. Square is a multiples of a number itself. When you multiply a number and same number again, you will get which one? Your number, your product, right? That product is called which one? Square. Then, which one? Some square of even number is always square. Square of odd number is always odd. That also we learn. Number between the two consecutive square numbers. Numbers between the consecutive two square is equal to 2 times of the lower number, right? We already learned. Then Pythagorean theorem, Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagorean theorem tells? Square of the largest side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. That also we learned. Then Pythagorean triplet, how to form the Pythagorean triplet. If a number is given, you take that number is 2m, then you will find out to calculate, you will get m, then another number will be m square minus 1, then another number will be m square plus 1. You put, you will get the answers. Okay, children? So, next class we are going to learn the new topic, new teaching point is called square root. So far we have learned only square. The another one is very important. So, better you learn nicely that one. Square root we will be learning next day. Okay, children, still then, see you.